It is really eating it. Stinging it over and over again. Move, cat.
I feel bad, but I don't want to get involved.
I don't either. Look at it. I mean, it's just going to town.
Never in my life seen this.
I ain't either.
That's crazy.
But that thing is. Okay. Look at that. I don't know which one's got which.
I know it.
I think it's eating it alive.
Well, back up, Bean. Back up.
You don't want to get stung by that thing.
When I'm out of here. I'm not.
Look at that. It won't turn loose of it, whatever.
It's on there.
I mean, I've never seen nothing like this. Oh, still, I'm trying to help you, little dude.
Back up, Benny. Go over there, please.
This one's seen.
I know, but I don't want to take a chance when you get the star.
Look, it won't stay off of it. It's trying to kill it.
It's probably having nails.
It is. But this thing is alive.
There you go.
Look!
It's crawled right
Oh my
back in.
God, it went right back to it.
That's so crazy.
It really is. It wants it.
Back up, Beanie.
Oh, this one's
You better get back, because if
Back
I
up,
jump, you're
Beanie.
going with me. Whoa!
Ah!
Get up. Oh, it's mad now. Did it go back to it?
No, it's still right there. It's about to come out. There it goes. It's out. Now it's out over here now.
Great.
Now it's trying to go back in.
What is that?
I don't know, like a red hornet or something.
One of them big old hornets?
Yeah.
Oh, them things are bad. Y'all better
All right, keep an eye on it. I'm going to go get a flashlight.